Okay, in this lecture, we're gonna get familiar with the game graphic assets. Okay, so I want you to go in Xcode and start to drill down in the folders, and you will see a folder called graphics. I want you to right click on it and do show in Finder. Okay, so right there you see the graphics folder, and within that you have the app icon. Obviously, these are the icons that you will need to just overwrite with your own icon. We will do that later. And the default image, which is the launch image, and then the iPad buttons and graphic menu elements, and same thing for the iPhone ones. Okay, so you got to make sure that whenever you change the graphics, you change them for iPads and for iPhones as well. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, those are very straightforward, and we will work through the videos, lectures, and show you how to modify them to make your own twists, your own custom theme. See you guys in the next lecture.